How to hold your crochet hook while crocheting. First, choose what works best for you. There are ergonomic designs, traditional ones like these, and simple ones in metal or plastic. Personally, I like them all. I can crochet with anything. You can hold your crochet hook like a pen or like a knife. Previously, the pen grip was widely taught, but we realized many people struggled or weren't comfortable with it. The knife grip became popular, and many people crochet this way. So really, it's about what works best for you. I'll show you the knife grip, which I find more comfortable. You hold it as if you're cutting meat, between your thumb, index, and middle fingers. If you hold it like a pen, it's just like holding a pen like this. As you can see, I'm much less comfortable like this. That's it.